Your vehicle is running rough, but the check engine light isn't on. What's the deal? Well, most likely it's gonna be a dead miss in one of your cylinders, more likely a spark plug or a coil. Now on my engine, I've already replaced the spark plugs, so most likely it's a coil. So let's see what it's doing, and then we're gonna go ahead and figure out which coil it is that is going bad. The engine is running rough, as you can see. It's got an obvious miss. So I'm gonna pull each of these coils off to see if anything changes. Now let's pull number one off. See, I'm pulling the plug off, and the coil was obviously working because it ran rough. Now I'm gonna pull this one off, and look at here. It's running just as bad. That means that coil has never been firing. So I'm gonna turn this off, and we're gonna replace that coil. I'm gonna remove the second coil that's obviously gone bad. And then I'm gonna replace it with one that I know is good. Now here's another one that I know is good, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here. Gonna tighten it down, and then we're gonna plug it back in. Plug it back in, make sure that plugs all the way on there. Everything's good. Now let's crank it and see if there's any difference. And wow, what a difference. It's running really smooth. Look, it's not even shaking. It was the second coil all along.